Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a carrot cake, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So here I have powdered sugar, some butter, oil, light brown sugar. I have white sugar, ground allspice, ground nutmeg, some sea salt, some flour, ground cloves, baking soda, baking powder, applesauce, ground cinnamon, some vanilla extract. I have my eggs, cream cheese, of course my carrot, and some walnuts. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is add my flour. I'm going to add my white sugar. I'm also going to add my brown sugar. I'm going to add my baking soda, my baking powder, my salt. Now I'm going to add my ground clove, ground allspice, ground nutmeg, and my cinnamon. Now I'm going to come with my whisk, and I'm just going to mix it all together, okay, so it's nice and blended together, okay, just like that. If you see any lumps from anything, just smash it down with the whisk, and that's it. Okay guys, so now I'm going to come with my carrot, and I'm just going to shave it. Okay guys, so now that it's nice and shaved, I'm going to come with a grater, and we're just going to grate it finely, okay? You want it to look like that. Okay guys, so now that my carrots are grated, we're going to jump to the next step. Okay guys, so now I'm going to come in a separate bowl. I'm going to add my eggs, my oil, and my applesauce, okay? Now I'm going to come with my whisk, and I'm just going to mix everything up. Make sure everything is well blended, okay? Okay guys, so now that my wet ingredients are mixed, now I'm going to come and add it to my dry ingredients. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour it in to the dry ingredients, okay? And you're going to come with a spatula. Make sure you take everything out from the bowl. Okay, and now we're gonna come, and instead of mixing it, we're just gonna move it around like this, scraping from the bottom, okay? Wanna make sure it's nice and well mixed. Okay, keep mixing until you see that all the dry ingredients are not dry no more. Okay guys, you know it's mixed well when you go like this and you lift up and you don't see that it's anything dry. Okay guys, so now I'm going to come and add my shredded carrots, and also going to add my pecans, okay? And then I'm just going to fold everything again until it's nice and well mixed, okay? Okay guys, so I have two baking dishes here. What I'm going to come and do is add some butter, and we're going to coat our cake pans, okay? Just like this. You want to do it evenly on the sides, everywhere. Okay guys, so now that my pans are greased up, now I'm going to come with my cake mixture, and we're just going to add it, try to add it evenly to both, okay? So I'm just eyeballing this to see. And then I'll start evening it out as flatten it. Okay. So a little more here. And then I think the rest can go here. And guys, if you like the video so far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Okay. Perfect. So okay guys, so this looks even to me, so now this is ready to bake. Okay guys, so I just want to show you my cakes are done. A good way to know is taking a toothpick, just stick it in through the middle, and when it comes out with nothing, you know that this is done. Okay, so we're gonna let this cake cool for like 30 minutes. Okay guys, so my cakes are nice and cool. So what I'm going to come and do is come with a butter knife. And I'm just going to make sure that it's not stuck on the sides. Okay. Just like that. Because when you flip it, you don't want it to break on you. Okay. Make sure you do it gently because you don't want to break it. Make sure it's completely against. See, look how it's breaking under this. So I gotta stop and go this way. See? Alright, so now we're gonna jump to the next step in making the frosting. So the first thing I'm gonna come and do is I'm gonna add my softened butter to a bowl. Again, I will have the ingredients and the amount I'm using in my description below. Okay. If you guys have any questions, any recommendations, please let me know. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using a hand mixer to blend this. And you just want to blend this so it's nice and creamy. Once it's nice and creamy, we're going to come and we're going to add our cream cheese. So what I like to do is cut the cream cheese into little pieces so it can be easier to blend. Okay. Just like that. And now I'm going to blend it all together. Once I have that blended, I'm going to come with my vanilla extract. And I'm going to add my powdered sugar. But I'm going to be adding my powdered sugar little by little, okay? Because you don't want it to make a big mess. Okay. Now I'm going to add some more. Now I'm going to come and add the rest of my powdered sugar, okay? Okay guys, so I just want to show you when it's stuck on the side, you're going to put the cream on it like that so it can pick up. Once it's like this, we're going to come and blend. So now what I'm going to come and do is with my spatula, I'm going to wipe the sides so we can have everything, okay? And then we're going to blend. Okay guys, so now that my cream is done, we're gonna put this to the side and jump to the next step. Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna come and do is I'm gonna take one of my cakes and I'm just gonna flip it over onto my cake dish. Let's hope it came out. Look at that. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna come with my frosting and I'm just gonna layer it on top. Okay, and as I do that, I'm just gonna move it around evenly. If you guys watch my videos, you know I can cook, I can bake, I can never decorate. So let's see how this comes out. Don't judge me, okay? Okay guys, so I'm just gonna add my second layer of cake. Okay, just like this. Okay, come with the cream, put a nice generous amount on top so as you're spreading it, the cake is not gonna break on you. Okay, and this is so good. Please, if you try this, let me know how you like it. And if you like this video so far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Hey guys, so I attempted to add my frosting to my cake. This is the way it came out. Don't judge me. So now what I'm going to come and do is I'm going to take some pecans. This is optional if you want to put it on top because it's some in the cake. So I'm just going to add little crumbs of it. Make it look a little more pretty. More representable, you know? Okay, again, I'll have the amount that I'm using and what I'm using in my description below, so that way you can attempt to make this cake as well. Okay, and that's it. That's my finished cake. If you guys have any questions, please leave it below. Any requests, don't forget to also leave it below. And thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Enjoy.